Well, hello everyone. Today I'm talking about how I stay young. Not biologically young for sure, but definitely feeling young and maybe looking young. People ask me, how do you keep looking young? What do you do with your face? What are you having? Because I want to have it too. That question really brings me to a list of answers that are not actually material, not physical, and definitely not vain. Number one, I will suggest that you always try something new. You always want to try to give yourself the chance to do something that you've never done before, like hiking maybe. Like for me, I tried hiking in 2018 and I loved it, and I miss it because it's COVID. Another one is maybe dance. You don't have to be a trained dancer, but you can always try a few steps here and there. So I do a little video every now and then, so check that out because I really love inspiring everyone through dance and movement, meaning that's exercise, but exercise in a fun way. Another one that I do is I try on something new with makeup, like try a little shade of lipstick. Like today I'm wearing this a little bit dark red lipstick, but I put light gloss, and maybe try to work on your eyes or something like that. So that's about the only vein that I will talk about today, but it's something that lets you realize that, oh, this actually works. So that's another one. And one very important thing that I always do, I always advise, is smile. We use very few muscles when we smile, and not like when we frown, because everything else is wrinkled. And I've always really been a smiley person, and even if I have something going on behind me, in the family, at work, that's not the problem of whoever I'm talking to. So I make sure that I smile because, a smile is always something that's worth giving away. You never lose anything if you smile. In fact, you make someone happy, right? And try to engage yourself in things that you love, like playing Monopoly with the family, or just reading or watching chick flicks, watching movies, relaxing a little bit, reading a book. And I'm just so lucky because I'm part of this Pursuit 365 book, which has sold out on Amazon, and it's definitely a bestseller, and I'm so proud. Here it is. I'm going to show it to you. Here it is. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. And I'm here. And this is a story of 365 women who are empowering, who have success stories, and who went through so much in life, who struggled and they recovered, who just have so much to say. And I hope that this book is going to inspire you, because it inspires me a lot, and we've heard a lot of good feedback. And it's no longer available in Amazon, but it will be out in chapters all across Canada beginning April. So, I have a few copies left with me, and I'm going to put the price in the link below. And so check that out, because it's definitely a very inspiring book, and you'll learn a lot from us, learn a lot from our experiences, tips, and all. Now, I also really watch my sugar intake. So, as always, I tell everyone, sugar is the biggest culprit, biggest culprit. So, if you can avoid sugar, processed sugar, use sugar alternatives like fruit-based stevia, lakanto, things like that, and it really does make a huge difference. And don't worry about tomorrow. Don't worry about things that have not come. Focus on today, because nothing is going to make you look older and look more stressed than worry. Because for all you know, these things that you're worrying about are not going to happen. And as much as possible, I know it's easier said than done, avoid stress. If things are getting so hard on you, if you think that so many things are overwhelming you, stop and breathe. Listen to music. Think of something that you like, and imagine that in your head. Like, you love apple pie. You love mangoes. You love running. You love the mountains. You love the trees. You love painting. Close your eyes and just think of that when you're very stressed and focus on that, because that will actually give you a very, very relaxing mood. And then, bam, you're better. You feel better. You relax. You didn't give in to anger or to worry. And definitely you didn't frown, which is a very, very big tip that I just shared with you. So there you go. Enjoy the day, enjoy life, enjoy the things that you love. And finally, be grateful. Be grateful when you wake up every day. Be grateful before you sleep. Be grateful for even the littlest things, because things are always going to be amazing at the end of the day. Things will work out fine. Don't worry. Take care. Bye for now.